Hello and welcome back to our next video and lecture from this course, 5 ways of starting an online home business. Now in this lecture we are going to talk about affiliate marketing with video reviews, the first business model that we want to propose to you, one which is very efficient and it doesn't require absolutely no money investment, especially when you are just starting out. So let's dive into the information and see the actual process that we have to follow in order to make money with this. Okay, so here is the process. First of all, what you have to do is create accounts on affiliate marketing platforms, and we are going to show you in the next video which are these major affiliate marketing platforms where you have to create accounts on. It's actually very easy to create accounts on them, and basically there you will find the best offer that you can promote and that you can be paid for. What you have to do after that is create a YouTube channel. Okay, that's very simple. If you already have a Google account, you probably already have a YouTube channel as well because it's created automatically. YouTube is a part of Google. Then you have to choose affiliate offers that you want to promote from the affiliate marketing platforms where you have created accounts. Now, we haven't told you exactly what affiliate marketing means because we assume you know, but if you don't know yet, there's no problem. Basically, affiliate marketing is a form of performance-based marketing. So basically what is it relied upon is for you to send traffic. Okay, that means potential buyers to different offers, products, services, okay, from different advertisers which are present on these affiliate marketing platforms. And if you send a visitor to their offer, to their product, to their service, and that visitor actually buys the product or service, you will get paid a certain percentage or a fixed fee, okay, because you have made a sale. Okay, one of your visitors bought the actual product or service. Okay, and in the case of digital products, most of the times the affiliate commission, that means the amount of money that you get from one sales, varies between 30 and 75%, which is a huge deal if you think about it. And for physical products, it's anywhere between 3 to 10%. That's the average, okay, because physical products have let's say smaller profit margins. So this is mainly how affiliate marketing works. Okay, you send traffic to an offer. If someone buys it, you get a percentage from the sale. So let's move forward with our process. Okay, so you choose affiliate offers that you want to promote. You create a video review for that affiliate offer. You don't need necessarily to have access to the affiliate offer because from the sales page of a product or a service, you can make like a video review. Okay, you can just screen record the sales page and talk about the product and why you think it's good and stuff like that. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Then what you need to do is to upload the video on YouTube and to rank it. Okay, that's important. So whenever somebody will search for something related to that affiliate offer on YouTube, you need to be present on the first page, maybe in the first 5 top position. Okay, that way you can get a lot of targeted traffic and that way you have more chances to get sales. Okay, so this is how it works. It's not hard at all. Okay, now let me give you an example. If you want to promote, but I will show you in the next video, but just for you to have a clearer idea of how this works. If you want to promote something related to weight loss, okay, you have to do a video review and rank it for keywords related to weight loss on YouTube. For example, how to lose weight fast in 2018. Okay, maybe you want to promote an ebook about losing weight or something like that. And whenever somebody looks for that phrase on YouTube, your video should appear in the first 3, 4, or 5 positions. Okay, so this is how it works. Now we have more options for this business model, and here is option 1 to make it work faster and more efficient. So that's why we choose this option. If you want to make money faster, we promote internet marketing product launches from affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or JV Share. Okay, basically how does this work, or which is the big advantage? The big advantage is that they are easier to rank than other offers. Why? Because till the moment they are launched, they don't exist, so people do not search for them. Okay, so you don't have any competition in ranking those keywords on YouTube, on Google, or wherever you want to rank them. But in our case, it's on YouTube, okay? Now, how basically these affiliate marketing platforms work. Let's say that you have a training related to internet marketing, or you have a software which is related to internet marketing. You choose a launch date on one of these platforms, and at that date, at that specific hour, in the launch date, at the launch hour, your products become available and affiliates start to promote your products. Affiliates usually promote them through email marketing, okay? And a lot of people don't buy a product when they first see it. They will go on Google or on YouTube and they will search for a review for it. And that's when you come into the play, okay? Because your review will appear there. And after that, they won't go back to the email to click on the buy link. They will click on the buy link from your reviews, from your video reviews description, okay? That's how this works. Now, let's go back to the process of option 1. Before these offers, these affiliate marketing offers with launches, before they are launched, they have no traffic, as I've told you, okay? People do not search for them. If you publish a review on YouTube with 1 or 2 weeks before the launch and get some backlinks, that means some other links from some other places to that video, chances are for you to rank in the first spots with it, okay? When somebody searches for something related to the name of that product, okay? Put your affiliate link in the video review description. If you can, give people some bonuses if they buy from you, okay? In that moment, okay? You have to incentivize somehow to buy from you. Give them something for free. I don't know, like a private label rights product or something like that. Now we have option 2, which is to promote evergreen products or products that sell continuously, okay? They are harder to rank and you probably have some competition. And this is the example of the weight loss program or training or ebook that I gave you earlier, okay? This is something that will sell for years from now, not just during a launch period of time, but it will continuously sell, but you will have competition. This is a very competitive niche, the weight loss, for example, okay? So you have to find the right keywords, targeted keywords, and you have to drive, you have to get more backlinks to your video, okay? It has to pass a little bit more time till you rank your video, okay? Now, once you rank them and start selling, you will have a passive income because they are evergreen, okay? The launch is never ending. Basically, they are selling continuously, okay? You can promote digital products, okay, for this option from ClickBank, for example. ClickBank is the largest digital products marketplace in the world, or you can promote physical products from marketplaces like Amazon, okay? So this also applies to physical products, and Amazon has an affiliate program called Amazon Associates, and you can find a lot of people are having reviews for different products that are sold on Amazon. You can find their reviews on YouTube, and that's the exact thing that they are doing. They are promoting them as affiliates, okay? So these are the two options that we have. It's up to you which one of them you want to choose. In the next video, I will show you examples and I will show you what you have to do in order to get started with each of them, okay? Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next video.